trading, one of the biggest reasons why you lose money is not lack of strategy, it is greed. That is why in 1 Timothy chapter 6 verse 10, the Bible says, "For the love of money is the what? Is the root of every kind of evil." Yes, and in the aspect of trading, greed makes traders overtrade, increase lot size, hold losing trades too long, and chase the market. So today, I will personally teach you how or exactly how to overcome greed in forex trading, even if you just started trading. What till the end? Because tip number 5 can literally save your life as you embark on your trading journey. And if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share for more educational content like this. Now let's dive in. Or let's understand how greed works. Yes, so greed is not always obvious. Sometimes it sounds like, let me just enter one more trade. This trade is already in profit. Let me hold for more. If I double my loss size, I can recover losses faster. I need to make money today no matter what. I hope this sound is familiar to you. Greed happens when you stop following logic and start following emotions. Instead of trading your strategy, you begin gambling. And once greed enters or sets in, discipline leaves. And I know you'll be wondering why beginners and not any other trader. Yes, and this is basically beginners having this problem. And these 3 reasons are going to explain why beginners are affected by this greed. Yes, so why beginners become greedy? One of them is because they want quick money. They see social media traders posting profits and believe Forex is a fast cash machine. No, that's not true. They are undercapitalized. If your account is too small, you may feel pressure to grow it quickly, and that's one of the main reasons why beginners become greedy. And the last one, they don't trust the process. Instead of steady growth, they want instant success, forgetting that Forex rewards patience, not desperation. Okay, so now let's look at how a beginner trader can overcome greed. So yes, 1, use fixed risk per trade. So what do I mean by using fixed risk per trade? Never risk random amounts. Choose a fixed risk percentage. For example, risk only 1% per trade. If you have $100, you risk $1, which is 1% of it. And if you have $500, you risk what? $5, which is 1% of that $500. And this keeps emotions low and prevents reckless decisions. Let's say tip 2, set daily profit targets. Greedy traders never know when to stop. Disciplined traders do. Set a daily realistic target. For example, when I get to a trade, I want 2 winning trades or 2% gains or even 1 clean setup. This is a realistic profit target you are having. The market will still be moving tomorrow, next year, whatever year. So set a daily profit target. Tip 3, follow a trading plan. This is very important. So before entering any trade, ask, why am I entering? Where is my stop loss? Where is my take profit? Is this setup in my strategy? If you can't answer these questions, don't trade. Greed loves unplanned trade. Don't forget, greed loves unplanned trade. Tip 4, accept missing opportunities. One major sign of greed is FOMO, fear of what? Missing out. That's FOMO, fear of missing out. That's one major sign of greed. You see price moving and jump in late, then price reverses. Understand this, you do not need every trade, you only need good trade. Missing bad setup is a win, not a loss. If you are missing a good setup, don't jump in that trade. Don't jump in that trade. I always tell my people that you can never jump in a moving train or on a moving train. It's very dangerous. So don't jump when the trade is already moving, even though it's in your setup. And the last step, focus on monthly growth, not daily jackpot. This is the tip that saves accounts. Stop trying to double your money this week. Instead, ask, how can I grow 5% consistently every month? Small, consistent profits beat emotional jackpots. Think like a business owner, not a gambler. Okay, so the last thing I'd like us to look at is daily anti-greed habits, or how to control greed every single day. But before that, I always tell my community that the rich trader is not the trader who wins one big trade. It is the trader who survives long enough to compound. Greedy traders chase excitement. Smart traders chase consistency. One wants dopamine, the other wants freedom. So choose wisely. Okay, so let's look at how to control greed every single day. One is to what? Journal every trade. Whenever you get into a trade, or before you get into a trade, you have to journal what you've seen. Maybe you're about to take a Euro USD trade. Your confirmation is that, or your bias is that you saw what? A reversal candlestick. So you have to journal each and every thing you saw on the trade before you taking this trade, or anything you saw on the trade which was convinced to take that trade. So you have to journal every trade every single day. Two is to limit number of trades per day. The market will always move for you. Yes, the market always move. So don't be in a rush to take multiple trades every single day. Limit the number of trades you take per day. The third thing is use stop loss always. This is very important. Use stop loss always. Stop loss is very important whenever you take a trade, because you are a steward who is supposed to protect your capital. So in this, the only thing or the only tool that can help you protect your capital is the stop loss. So you always need to apply a stop loss whenever you take a trade. The fourth thing is to walk away after target is hit. Walk away after target is hit. So your target is to win 1% of your account per every trade, or to lose 1% of your account per every trade. So whenever this 1% is hit or it's achieved, make sure you walk away. Don't say because it hits a loss you want to retaliate. No, we don't retaliate in the forex market. So walk away after target is hit. The fifth one is to review mistakes weekly. You always need to review mistake weekly. So the mistake you did which got you the loss, the mistake you did, or the good thing, the discipline you did which got you the win, so that you repeat it. But the one which got you the loss, so that you prevent it the next time you see it on the chart. That's the reason why we review mistakes weekly. This is forex. The forex market operates from Monday or Sunday evening to Friday evening. So you get Saturday morning and Sunday morning to review your mistakes. Yes, you need to review your mistakes if you want to get greed out of your way. The last thing is to celebrate discipline, not profit. Celebrate discipline and not profit. Yes, so there's a saying that don't keep profit in your heart or loss in your mind. It's going to damage you as a trader. So always celebrate your discipline. Be happy because you were disciplined on this win, or you won because you were disciplined. You followed your plan, you followed your structure, you followed your strategy. Be happy because, or you be celebrated, or celebrate discipline, not the money you had from the market that day. And also remember, a disciplined losing day is better than a greedy winning day, because discipline grows, but lack expires. Remember that lack expires, but discipline grows. So yes, this brings us to the end of this video. And if you truly want success in forex, master your emotions before mastering charts. Greed destroys more accounts than bad strategy ever will. And yes, if this video helped, like this video, subscribe, and comment discipline over greed. See you in the next video. Peace out.